let's continue with our seminar summary. So we're talking about the concept of analysis. I said we have two we have four types of analysis that you have to know in forex market. We have the fundamental analysis, we have the technical analysis, we have the sentimental, and we have the mental analysis. Okay, so they are all useful in the market. All the four are very useful. So, and many people don't know that mental analysis and technical analysis is one of the most important ones that you have to know. Okay, so on the five, on the five we talk more about the technical analysis. All right, so we talk more about the technical aspect of trading, right? So we talk about it. So let me just brief you on mental analysis. It's just about psychology, how you can manage your money, risk management. Anytime you are in drawdown, anytime you are losing, when you're expected to stop the loss and and continue making your profits. Okay, so when you are in profit, when you should be able to close in profit. So these are the things that you have to really grab when it comes to um, mental analysis. So in our mentorship, we are going to be talking more about this. Okay, so and you have to ensure you know how to you know um, protect your capital is very very important. Protecting your capital in whatever you are doing. All right, so the five, we talk about the understanding the technical analysis, where we talk about candlestick. We talk about different kind of things like that. We talk about the support and resistance, market structure. So we say that market structure, we have three type of, we have the uptrend, we have the sideways, we have the downtrend. So when a market is moving uptrend, you will buy. When the market is moving downtrend, you will buy, you will sell. And when it is moving sideways, you will stay out of the market. That is the best way to trade forex market. Okay, so let's go straight to our charts. Yeah, this is where we are going today. I think. Yeah, let's go to, these are our daily time frame. So let me zoom in and see how it has been coming down. So is that, you can see that sorry for this, I'm very sorry. I think that should be another network issue. Let me check if I'm still online or not, so that I'll not just be talking without saying anything really. So yeah, I don't know if I'm still online. Please, I'm very sorry for this. That's network issue sometimes. Network is funny sometimes. Yeah. Sorry for this pop up. Yeah, sorry. Yes, it's not more there. So yeah, we are basically still on our analysis. Yeah. So this one is going downtrend really. So that it has been going downtrend all this while. I'm on daily time frame. You can see this daily time frame, right? So yeah, let me zoom it and see it properly. I'm still on daily time frame. Then I can actually come around and draw my trend line. So you pick the tool from here. You will start drawing. Sorry, let me. It's not correct anyway. Let me take it out. So this is the, you draw the trend line. So start from these eyes. Yeah, from this lower eye like. So when you are doing trend line, the trend line can cross the wick, but it must not cross the body. That's it. So and a valid trend line should touch at least minimum of two lows or two highs, right? Yeah. So it's touching this minimum of two. I think you are seeing very clearly right now. Yeah, that's super amazing. So yeah. Now in a downtrend, right? It's very good for you to use the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, it's very good for you to use the Fibonacci retracement to determine how long the trend will be. So Fibonacci retracement is one of the tools that we use, right? So let me go to Fibonacci retracement. So pick your tools from here. I really love this platform to analyze the market because it's very simple and straightforward. Unlike TradingView, you have to subscribe to some plans before you can get access. So like, let's look at what happened previously from these highs. from this swing we have this swing low here. So what do you notice? You notice that you notice that when the price gets to this 61.8 of Fibonacci retracement, so Fibonacci retracement is one of the tools that we use to determine how long the retracement will go before it starts going in the right direction. So we want to know how long it will move up before going in the direction that it has been coming before, which is the downtrend. Right. So 61.8. So let me put a line, an horizontal line around that 61.8. So you notice that there is intersection between this 61.8, the horizontal line, and the what, and the trend line. Yeah, so you notice that there is an intersection, isn't it? Yeah, there is. If you don't know, I'm trying to take away the Fibonacci since we have gotten what we want from it. So this intersection, something is that we have to get really in place. So let me extend this like this to determine sorry, to determine this. Yeah, to determine this. I think I'm speaking very slowly so that we can get every concept of this analysis. So what I'm doing is technical analysis. So I'm using the past action to judge what will happen in the future. Okay, so you see that at this point the price starts coming down. So there's intersection between the trend line and the horizontal line, right? Yeah, there's intersection. I think I'm still online. Yeah, I'm still online. Yeah. So I don't want to be just like the one I did that I have said everything and later knew that it was not recording. It was very frustrating. I think I've learned my lesson now. I have to be checking it often and often. So yeah, that's very good. So now we want to observe this. Yeah, before we observe that, let us take the Fibonacci tools again. Let's see. You draw it from this eyes down to the next eye here that's started to retrace. Yeah, so it means at this point the market is likely to reverse again. Yeah, so let me take my tools again to draw it. So at this point, at this point market is likely to reverse. So let me delete my Fibonacci retracement since we have known what we want to use it for. Yeah, so it means at this point the market at the price might start coming down. So let's go to 4 hours. We want to observe this. Yeah, you can see that we have let's see. Let me take my rectangle tools to draw the support around this zone. Yeah, so this support around this zone. So which means we are going to be observing something here. You see that, don't forget that I said that at this point the market can start coming down at this point. So right, so we are looking forward towards when the market will start get to this place and we sell. So we can also buy from here down here, from here to this point. So let me draw the trend line. Let's say from here the market might go from here to this place, then come back again and start dropping. So it might drop big time. So the market might keep on dropping. Yeah, the market might keep on dropping. So this is our support, right? So before we can know if the market will actually retest or there will be a reversal here, we have to consider some things. So you have tried to mark out something. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on 1 hour, let me zoom it and see it very clearly. So we can also observe something here. What we observe is that we observe and a kind of uptrend here around this zone. Yeah, that is a kind of an uptrend rather. Yeah, so don't forget, don't draw across the body. Yeah, and in a valid trend line we must see a minimum of 2 touch. So if this touch is invalid, then we have 1. Let's say we have 1, we have 2 here, it touches the wick, we have 3. so it's still valid. Yeah, it's still valid. So right now, before we can determine if we are going to be doing short, if you are buying to this point before we start selling, then what do you have to do? Let's consider the past price action. So when the price get to this point, what happened around the zone? What happened around the zone? What happened? So we want to know what we like. We don't know what will happen really here, but from what has happened here, we can actually predict what will happen, right? So now let me go on 15-minute time frame to check the pattern, the chart patterns that actually pop up in the previous touch. So don't forget, this blue line represents the support. Don't forget that we have drawn it from 4-hour time frame, right? Yeah. So what happened here? What happened in the let's start from here. What happened is that we have this is the first touch on the support. We have the inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the first. Then we have this again. Yeah, we have this again coming back here. Yeah, we have this. So short patterns are easily spotted, or we can easily spot them at 15-minute time frame. So when you think about checking your time frame, yeah, really on 15 minutes, so you can get your chart patterns. So this is inverse of head and shoulder patterns. I think I said it in the group, so you should be able to understand it. So this is the inverse. This is the head, this is the two shoulders, the first shoulder, second shoulder. So then you enter your buy from the second shoulder. So let's move to this other touch. The other touch, what do we have? We observe we have M here. M pattern is forming. We have this is the first leg coming from here. Touch here. Let me pick another twos again. You have another two. These are our M pattern. Our W pattern. Our W pattern. Yeah, these are W patterns. So this is the first leg. Second leg, you will enter. Then you start what? You start buying. Okay. Yeah. This W pattern, this head and shoulder. The same thing happened here. Really, the same thing happened here. We have this first touch. This is the first touch on the support. Second touch. So let me put my twos. Yeah, second touch. Yeah, like I'm drawing my W pattern. What happened here? Yeah, what happened here? So you can see this is the first, second. Yeah, we can make it like this. Sorry, this is the first leg, because it touches support. This is the second I'm trying to draw the W pattern. So you just trade what you see. So I'm seeing my M in different form now. Sorry, my W in different form. Yeah, this is my W. So here we just see a weak rejection. Let me zoom it. We just see a weak rejection here. See, there is no pattern that formed here. We just see a weak rejection, which is a price reversal. Is also part of the price reversal. So here we can see that what will happen here. We don't know what will happen right here. So let us observe what will happen right here. I think I'm still online. Yeah, it will not be falling again. No. So yeah, here let's see what will happen here. So let me draw a box and see what will happen here. Is what we are looking for this week. We are looking towards what will happen here in around this zone. I want to see what will happen. Yeah, want to see what we do. What what will happen around this box. Let me just change the color so that you can see it very clearly. Better. Let me change it to black. I think black is more transparent, like it's very more clear. Yeah. So let's know what will happen in this pattern. Let's see what will form. It's on 15 minutes, so then you can drop the comment of the you can drop a comment and tell me the chart pattern that form here. So let us watch out for the chart patterns that will form before we start going out. So, and mind you, this is a high probability trade. So, and if it does not happen, because in forex market, you know, we have to be very careful. So if it does not happen here, if there is no pattern like this here, you understand, if there is any other pattern that's similar to this one or any other reversal pattern, then it means that our analysis is wrong. I think that is wrong. So for it to be wrong, let me go to 1 hour. Then you have to be very careful. So before you can trade this as a buy, please ensure you have seen a valid chart pattern. Do you understand? A valid chart pattern before you can imagine, or before you can say that you are buying this EURUSD for this week. So don't rush. Watch out for the chart patterns. Okay, then you can tell me the chart pattern that is forming or that will form here. So just keep on watching it. Then after the pattern, then you can write down and put in your trade, right? So if you want to learn more, and you can join our mentorship where we guide you when to enter, when to exit, the profit and some other things. We teach you more and you learn more. Within a year is the mentorship. So we mentor you in Daily Trade Academy. We teach you within a year. We nurture you. We follow you up till we see that you are good, you know, to make profit, or you are good to stand on your own. You are good to create your own signal without depending on anyone. So this is basically for free. I'm giving that for free, so you can enter into this trade. So yeah, so I'm super excited. So we shall, every Sunday, by the grace of God, we should be able to work more. We should be able to discuss, you know, what will happen in the week that we're about to enter. So if you observe that I have different in my chart here, I have some, trades that I've analyzed, but it's not going in the way I want it. So out of them, the high probability trade that I took was it was EURUSD for this week. So we will tell you the pair to look for by the grace of God. After this one, like for this week now, we are trading EURUSD. So for the coming week, we shall meet again. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you will know anytime we are live, so that you know the live session, so you can invite others to learn for free. And if you are interested in our mentorship, you want me to mentor you, you want to learn from me, you want to be consistent, you want to be a profitable trader, or you are a beginner, you want to start from the beginning, then you're always welcome to the academy. And if you want to join our group, you can make a comment in the under this video. Then I'll be able to put you through what you are going to do. So don't forget, watch out for the chart pattern here. So thank you. Invite your friends, share this to those people that you think that will need it this week to make money. So thank you. I remain Daniel at Daily Trade Academy. Good night.